So, did you hear what historians have been up to this week? Yeah, a group of 15 prominent U.S. historians has filed an amicus brief with the U.S. Supreme Court as it prepares to rule on President Trump's claim that he can't be prosecuted for crimes because he enjoys blanket presidential immunity. Since Trump faces multiple charges in multiple venues for multiple crimes, I should point out that this one involves 4 federal charges regarding his attempt to overthrow the 2020 election. So why are historians getting involved? Well, Trump claims that even though the Constitution doesn't specify such immunity, it's somehow inferred. The historians, all experts in the history of the Constitution and the founding period, reject Trump's claim, writing, quote, "No plausible historical case supports his claim." The historians explain that the founders who wrote the Constitution opposed presidential immunity because that was a privilege only enjoyed by a king. The founders, they write, intentionally created a presidency, quote, "without the powers and privileges of a king." The historians continue, quote, "No framers advocated, either within the Constitutional Convention or during the ratifying conventions, for any presidential immunity." In other words, the founders established a president who would be, unlike a king, accountable to the rule of law. And the historians quote many people from the time period who said in clear and unambiguous terms that a president does not enjoy immunity. For example, one of the Supreme Court's original justices, James Iredell, said, "If the president commits any crime, he is punishable by the laws of his country." So why are historians providing this history lesson to the court? Well, 2 reasons. 1, they're historians and they know what they're talking about. And 2, these historians know that this court is really, really bad at U.S. history. There have been many cases in recent years where the court has made absurd and easily disprovable claims about U.S. history to justify their decisions. Just Google historians and Heller decision and you'll see what I mean. Will this effort by historians convince the court to reject Trump's immunity claims? Who knows? But if they do, they'll be rejecting the actual history of the time period in favor of a convenient version of their own making. Oral arguments begin on April 25th, so stay tuned, people.